Welcome to the XTraw AI Podcast, where we discuss the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and their impact on the future of business and society. I'm AI Raghu, and today I have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. We're excited to announce that our latest white paper, Building Social Equity with AI, a framework for the future, will be officially released by the end of quarter one. This white paper represents months of research and innovation, focusing on how AI and blockchain can redefine the way we measure, incentivize, and promote social equity on a global scale. Whether you are an individual contributor, a corporate leader, a policymaker, or a social impact enthusiast, this framework has something for you. Let's dive in. Segment one, why social equity needs a technological revolution. Social equity is about creating fair opportunities for all, regardless of background, socioeconomic status, or geographic location. However, traditional systems struggle with measuring and promoting equity in a scalable way. The lack of transparency, accountability, and incentivization makes it difficult for communities, organizations, and governments to create lasting change. This is where AI and blockchain step in. By leveraging cutting edge technology, we can bring objectivity, automation, and security to social equity frameworks. This white paper proposes a structured approach that enables individuals and organizations to quantify their contributions to equity and receive incentives for their efforts. It's not just about tracking, it's about creating a system that encourages meaningful impact. Segment two, the core concepts, social equity score, SES, and social equity coin, SEC. The backbone of this framework is built on two fundamental components, the social equity score, SES, and the social equity coin, SEC. Social equity score, SES. SES is an AI-powered metric designed to measure contributions to social good. It evaluates factors such as community impact, services rendered, and context-specific adjustments to ensure fair scoring. Whether you are an educator mentoring students, a corporate leader implementing sustainable business practices, or a nonprofit allocating resources effectively, SES provides an objective measure of your impact. Social equity coin, SEC. To complement SES, we introduced the social equity coin, a blockchain-based token that serves as a tangible incentive for equitable behavior. SEC tokens are awarded for verified contributions and can be redeemed for services, exchanged within an ethical marketplace, or reinvested into community projects. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that all transactions are transparent and fraud-proof. Together, SES and SEC create an ecosystem where individuals and organizations are motivated not only by ethical responsibility, but also by measurable benefits that enhance their credibility and opportunities. Segment three, AI and blockchain synergy. So why AI and why blockchain? These two technologies work hand in hand to create a trust-driven ecosystem for social equity. The AI component ensures that SES calculations are dynamic, adjusting based on real-time contributions, emerging needs, and behavioral patterns. It also offers predictive analytics to identify areas where equity gaps exist, allowing for proactive intervention. Meanwhile, blockchain acts as a trust mechanism. It records all SES transactions immutably, preventing manipulation. Smart contracts ensure that SEC tokens are distributed fairly and automatically without requiring intermediaries. The interoperability of AI and blockchain allows for a scalable and tamper-proof system that adapts to different industries and demographics while maintaining trust and efficiency. Now let's dive into the most important segment four, the key use cases where this framework will have the most impact. This isn't just theory. SES and SEC are designed to create real world impact across multiple sectors. Here are some examples. Number one, individual empowerment. Teachers volunteering for after school programs can be recognized and rewarded, helping drive more engagement in education. Number two, corporate responsibility. Companies can measure the success of their CSR initiatives using SES and reward employees for participating in social impact projects. Number three, community development. Governments and NGOs can identify underserved communities and allocate resources equitably based on SES data. Number four, public sector and NGOs. Welfare programs can track engagement and impact, ensuring transparency in how resources are used. Number five, healthcare accessibility. Medical professionals offering free services in rural areas can earn SEC tokens, which they can reinvest in medical supplies or training. Number six, environmental sustainability. Reforestation drives, clean energy initiatives, and waste reduction efforts can be incentivized using SEC tokens, making sustainability efforts measurable and rewarding. And there are many more use case examples. The goal is to create a circular economy of social equity where contributions are recognized, rewarded, and reinvested into meaningful change. And now to the segment five, market opportunities and how this will scale. Now let's talk about the market opportunities and how this ecosystem will scale. Number one, corporate partnerships. Businesses can align SES with ESG strategies, demonstrating their commitment to sustainable and socially responsible operations. Number two, subscription models. Organizations can subscribe to different SES tiers, gaining insights into their social impact performance and using the data to enhance stakeholder engagement. Number three, API monetization. SES can be integrated into HR, education, and government platforms, providing seamless tracking and verification of social equity efforts. Number four, marketplace ecosystem. The SEC token economy allows businesses to offer discounts, grants, and funding opportunities, promoting ethical commerce. Number five, public sector integration. SES data can guide policy decisions, helping governments optimize welfare programs and resource allocation. Number six, NGO impact assessment tools. Nonprofits can leverage SES data to quantify their impact, attract funding, and build long-term donor trust. This isn't just a framework, it's an opportunity for businesses, governments, and individuals to redefine how we measure and incentivize social good. And now, as we move toward the release of this white paper at the end of Q1, we invite you to be part of this movement. Whether you are an investor, an entrepreneur, a policymaker, or a researcher, we want your insights and collaboration. But that's not all. In the coming weeks, we have an exhilarating lineup of interviews and episodes featuring some of the brightest minds in AI, blockchain, and social impact. We'll be speaking with industry leaders, AI pioneers, blockchain innovators, and social equity advocates who are shaping the future of technology-driven equity. These conversations will dive deep into the real-world applications of AI and blockchain, sharing groundbreaking insights, success stories, and expert opinions on how to drive meaningful change at scale. You won't want to miss these engaging discussions. So stay tuned, subscribe, and follow us for exclusive previews and discussions leading up to the white paper launch. If you're interested in early access or collaboration opportunities, reach out to us on XTRAWAI or send an email to xtrawdata@gmail.com. We'd love to connect. Together, we can build a transparent, inclusive, and data driven future for social equity. This is AI Raghu, and you've been listening to the XTraw AI Podcast. Until next time, keep innovating, keep building, and keep pushing for a better world. Happy predicting the future with AI technologies.